pleasure and honor to welcome all of you. It's a phenomenal work that Dasra is doing. And last year, when they approached saying that they would like to partner with BSE and, of course, use this venue, and I said it's a great thing for BSE to be participating in many of these activities. And BSE has been a center of capital raising, capital markets. It does have market capitalization listed of $1.6 trillion. But more importantly, it has been at the center of raising entrepreneurs in India, being a catalyst. And I think a time has come for BSE to also act as a catalyst in raising awareness and helping in CSR activities. So last year in 2013, so 2 years back, when the new act came, we thought we need to be also doing something which falls in our ambit. And we have now been toying with an idea of having a CSR exchange. So what we are planning to do is to have an exchange where all the projects will be listed, all the NGOs will be listed, and all the companies will be listed. And whoever wants to fund, because the New Companies Act allows you to, or rather wants you to spend more than almost 2% or more of your profit after tax on the CSR activities. And we thought, we have been running this exchange for 140 years. An exchange is basically about getting people together, working and raising capital. And if you could raise capital also for CSR activities, that would be good. So that is one thing we are toying up with. And over the next couple of months, you will see a lot of action from our side on that. We also been doing our own work. In fact, yesterday I was with a set of NGOs. We were distributing 500 sewing machines to widows. It seems there are 40 million widows in India. In India, everything is very large. The numbers are very, very large. So 40 million widows and dependents put together are in the range of 120 million. That's a phenomenal number. And they have a very miserable life. So yesterday, we have tied up with Lumba Foundation of UK to raise funds and also distribute the funds, and not only for sewing machines, but training of the widows in India. So we do many such things, but I just wanted to welcome all of you and also give you this idea that BSE will be at the center of CSR activities, and Dasra will be a partner of BSE for a very long time to come. So thank you, Dasra. Thank you, all of you, for coming to BSE.